Welcome back. My name is Damian Ball, and we're here at the College of Engineering 18th Annual Design Expo. I'm joined today by Kim and Kamran, who are going to talk about their project as electrical engineers. Kim, can you tell us a bit about what you guys did today?
Today?
Well, did for the project today, yeah.
We're working with Biketronics, which is an aftermarket Harley Davidson analog gauge speedometer. And so we have just been working on getting the project done, and we're trying to do LEDs. So instead of like the normal needle, we're trying to do the LEDs. So it's kind of like a slow little marker of each how fast you're going.
Okay, thank you. Kamran, can you show us a bit about what you guys have on the board here?
So basically we are not sure about what design we want to use. We have like 3 different designs how we want to display the gauge. Like one of this is arc LED. Like instead of the needle going from left to right, there's a LEDs light up from and goes like a rainbow. And then we have one of different discrete LEDs where there are small LEDs between bigger LEDs. The bigger LEDs basically light up the numbers like 10. We want to do 10, 20, 30, 40 because of the limitation of space. And then there is the digital needle. We thought it's easier for the riders to like switch from analog needles to one of the digital LEDs lighting up the needles. But these are the 3 designs. We've not fixed that yet. Our sponsor Biketronics, they said we want to try all 3 of them to make sure which we want to go with in the end. And basically these are our specifications. Like it should be visible in like sunlight, and even in the worst possible conditions it should be easily visible. And these are all technical, like it should be a plug and play. Maximum like time to set it up should be about 30 minutes, not more than that. And these are pictures we did some LED testing. These are in the darkness, and these 3 are, the smaller ones are for in the light, in the sunlight. And this is a development board that we bought, and basically this is going to help us interface with the microcontroller in the end of the project. This is not something we'll be using, but the microcontroller is the one we'll use, so we are trying to get acquainted with it and use it and try working with the LCD.
Great. Okay, can you guys tell me a bit about your faculty sponsor and what it was like working with him? Kim?
Our faculty is Chris Ragnar, and our sponsor through Biketronics is Mike Meehan. Biketronics is in Moscow, so we can work with them closely. We meet with Chris and Mike every week and tell them where our progress is, and they give us feedback. And so we go off their feedback for the next week, find new stuff, and talk to them every week. So it's a good team.
Very iterative process. And did you enjoy working on your team?
Yeah, very much. We divided work, so some people were doing LED testing. The biggest challenge we had was testing LEDs because we couldn't find a bright enough LED that could work. We did some sunlight testing and in the lab everything works fine because it's in the darkness, but like when we go in the sunlight it's hard to see and we want to make sure it's visible, so that was one big challenge.
Okay, and Kim, you mentioned a bit about your sponsor. Could you tell us what it was like working with them?
It's really fun. We can go to his shop. He has a laser printer that we actually use to cut out faces for the designs, so we can see how it's all going to fit and how that's going to work. And we're in our first semester, so we still have a whole nother semester to go. We've just been doing research this semester.
Excellent. Well, thank you both very much. Again, my name is Damian Ball, and we're at the 18th Annual College of Engineering Design Expo. Thank you.